Revenue collection is expected to grow by 35% in the next financial year 2022-2023.
Experience has shown sometimes you project to at least 35%. From our local setting, we are hoping that it will be more than that. So for now, the projections are for VAT to at least account for 35% of tax revenue going forward with the full implementation of TIMS.
These will be achieved through the implementation of the tax invoice management system TIMS. That's according to Hakamba Wagwe, who is the Chief Manager TIMS Operations at the Kenya Revenue Authority, who said that the overall objective of TIMS is to increase VAT compliance, minimize VAT fraud, and increase tax revenue.
The system simply seems to seeks to achieve, from our end, we want to enhance compliance, we want to increase VAT collection. Because with the existing situation where we have most of the processes being manual, then we don't have good visibility.
For traders who have previously been using ETRS to register their cash sales, TIMS is just an upgrade of the system. Aside from enhanced revenue collection, TIMS will further aid in authentic VAT refunds paid.
Right now, it takes a bit of time, mainly because the verification process is manual. It's a bit tedious also for us to do that process of verifying all invoices submitted for purposes of refund claims for VAT.
During a media sensitization program by the taxman, K24 established that effective 1st August 2021, VAT registered taxpayers are required to use electronic tax registers ETRS that meet the requirements outlined in the regulations.
We've gone through a process of having our suppliers go through an approval process by KRA to just make sure that they meet the specifications we are laying out, because you can see that where we are moving to when it comes to accounting of taxes is purely technical, or it's using technology. So we wanted to make sure that the current ETR supplier is not just an ETR supplier who is pushing a box, but he is also supporting technology.
The system comes in different varieties, therefore all new registered VAT taxpayers who intend to replace their ETRS to acquire TIMS compliance system. Failure to comply with the provisions of the VAT Electronic Tax Invoice Regulations 2020, tamper, manipulate or interfere with the proper functioning of the ETR, a fine not exceeding 1 million shillings or imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 years or both. Linda Koskei, K24 TV.